Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by stopping automatic adjustments. Open settings and go straight to display or accessibility. Different phones hide the control in different menus. Locate auto brightness or adaptive brightness and toggle it off so the system no longer changes luminance based on sensors. Then set the manual brightness slider where you want it. This becomes your steady baseline. Once done, watch the screen for a minute to confirm it stays constant, and move on if it holds at the set level. Next, prevent dimming from system power policies. Go to Display Settings and increase screen timeout to 5 minutes so the screen stays lit while you interact. Make sure Eye Comfort, Night Mode, or blue light filters aren't reducing perceived brightness. Disable them temporarily to test. Then open Battery or Power Settings and turn off Battery Saver or add the display to Exceptions, because aggressive power modes throttle back brightness. These changes keep both timeout and power-driven dimming from kicking in. Finish by ruling out sensor or app interference. Physically clean the proximity and ambient light sensors and ensure screen protectors or cases aren't covering them. A blocked sensor often causes sudden dimming. If issues persist, reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is forcing dimming. Uninstall any suspect app. Finally, reset display settings to default or install available firmware updates. These fixes resolve software bugs. If none work, note one quick tip. Test another user account or factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.